everyone, I'm Margaret and welcome to Deliciously Sweet and Savory. Today I'm going to show you how to make vanilla cupcakes. This is a simple vanilla cake recipe that tastes great and is extremely light in texture. So let's get started. For this recipe, you need flour, white granulated sugar, melted butter, water, milk, baking powder, vanilla extract, eggs, salt, and baking soda. First, put all the dry ingredients in the mixing bowl. The flour, sugar, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Then use a whisk to evenly distribute the ingredients. This also helps loosen the flour, similar to if you sifted it. Next, add the wet ingredients. The melted butter, vanilla extract, eggs, milk, and water. Then use a standard or handheld mixer to stir for 10 seconds on low and raise to medium speed. Then let mix for 2 minutes. Then scrape down the bowl and let mix for an additional 3 minutes. Next, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line 2 cupcake trays with cupcake papers. If you don't have papers, you can also grease the pan with butter and dust the molds with flour. Then fill each mold 3/4 of the way with cake mix, so there is room for the cupcakes to expand. Once finished, put your trays in the 350 degree Fahrenheit oven for 20 minutes. You can use a toothpick or thin knife to check if the cakes are done. Just poke it in the middle of the cake, and if the toothpick comes out clean, with no wet batter, they are done. Remove the trays from the oven, let cool for 2 minutes, then remove the cakes from the trays, and place on a wire rack to cool completely. Once the cupcakes are fully cooled down, you could serve as is, or decorate with frosting, icing, or whatever you wish. The cakes will be nice and light, soft, and spongy in texture. My vanilla cake recipe also has a great vanilla flavor, is simple to make, and can be used to make cupcakes or larger cakes. So have fun giving this recipe a try. For more recipes like this one, visit my website, which also has the written recipes and ingredient amounts. You can also follow my channel. I'd like to take a moment to thank my patrons for their support. If you'd like to become a patron to support my channel, visit my Patreon page. Also, if there are any recipes, Cuban or otherwise, that you'd like to see, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you soon with another recipe.